Okay, somebody's coming down into the boiler room.
Noted. All good.
We have a guest. What's your name?
Lee.
Please join the EVP session.
Alright, that one's fading again. Faded off. Came back barely.
It's got a gray on. No, the overall dots. See how bright these are? And that's dull.
Just brightened.
The load, there's a load on
There's
it.
a load on it. There's something in there.
Something in there drawing energy.
When we were in here originally, our flashlight went dead in here.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And then, like a minute
Oh,
later,
here you go.
And we got some action blinking.
One more time.
Okay. We know you're in here. We can see you're in here.
Give us a structured blink so we know that you are trying to communicate.
Can you try and communicate with us with the flashlight that we set up on the chair here?
Yeah, can you mess with the light on the torch, or the torch on the chair?
If you can turn it on for yes, leave it off for no. Can you turn it on? Turn it on, please, for yes. No? Are you having problems with that? Okay, I checked the flashlight. I think I got it right. Can you turn on the flashlight for yes if you want to communicate with us?
Oh yeah, this is really dark in here.
Okay. Did you leave the room and you're in the other room now?
Can you make that grid brighter again if that's you in there? Just so we know where you are.
I'm gonna go ahead and go mobile in there real quick.
Okay.
This is me. Messing with it.
Alright,
I'm trying to,
readjust it.
you know, I think it's,
You need batteries?
I got some.
If not, I've got some.
I know you do, but I actually don't need
Going crazy there, and we're just trying to set up, and it always happens that way.
Yeah. And then once we get set up, it's like the action dims.
circuit or something.
Those are brand new batteries.
I saw something that's quite wrong,
And that just does too.
but right.
Yeah, always take the skeptic route. Go with the debunk.
Yeah, anytime you don't want to just flip this thing out and set it down.
If you're here, make your presence known, please. Why don't you come over here and touch this little green light in my hand? Let me know you're in here.
Okay. All right. So you're in the corner there with Mateo.
Why don't you come over here and touch my hand?
Have you figured out the flashlight? Can you turn the flashlight on that's on the chair?
You like that grid?
Wow.
Where you
Well, I
going?
totally took this grid out, dude.
I'm standing right next to it. It's dropped to over 3 degrees in about the last 15 seconds.
Interesting.
And the drop turns off again. My arm is so cold right now. What is is it? 69.5.
It was 72,
Just
like
at
5
3
seconds ago.
degrees. Yeah.
Is that your thermal?
It literally
That's
felt
what I
like
did.
somebody just walked up and like grabbed my arm.
Yeah, and my leg hurt, like, right before that went out, my leg hurt, like.
Totally started standing, huh?
Yeah, that one's totally flickering in there. So is this. Ooh.
So you're in the boiler room again? Yep. I see you. You're trying to turn it off. Yeah. What's your name?
It's all still too chaotic.
If you don't like the grid, just turn it off.
That's what it's trying to do.
That's what it looks like.
Doesn't like the grid, and it probably doesn't want to turn the flashlight on. Okay, now you're in this room?
Now look,
Check
I
you
just
out.
turned this guy off in here.
Check you out.
Both sides. Oh, there's people that's over here.
Are you in that
People know.
corner?
Come on down, Chad, if that's you.
Are you in the corner? Or is there more than one of you here?
There was people up there, right?
Chad.
Yeah, there's somebody there.
No,
Come on down.
I ain't talking about humans.
Alright, with
No,
the
that's,
person coming down.
Oh,
Somebody
that's fine.
coming.
Yep.
He's with me.
I'm just for noise purposes, I'm saying.
Who we got joining us now?
Chad?
Chad's with us.
Check.